Good morning and welcome to sunny California. Oh wait, it's cloudy. TJ Hunt, you lied to me. We are headed to go get a coffee. This is Maverick, this is my son, since nobody's ever seen him before. We are going to go get a coffee and we're going to talk about what's going to happen in the next year or so. So you're asking yourself, why are we in California? Well, my wife, right here, is from SoCal. We are visiting family for the holidays, and we came out here on a road trip cross country. As you can see in some of my other, if you're on my Instagram, Facebook, or any of that stuff, you'll see some of the pictures that I posted along the trip. Route 66. So if you haven't, go over there and actually like and subscribe or follow my Instagram or Facebook on that side, so you can actually see some of the updates whenever we're actually not in the state of Georgia, Alabama, or any of the East Coast side. But as of right now, we are in SoCal. We are going to talk about some of the things that are going to happen in 2023, the new year. So in the new year, we plan on making records. We are trying to break a record with my Cadillac, and we'll talk more about that later on in one of our other videos that we got coming out. With that being said, Michelle, we're gonna try and see if we can get her up and good to go so that we can get that car show ready, as well as my wife's 71 Beetle Corona. We're going to try and get that car good to go for some of the shows coming up in 2023. As far as the RAV, this car has went cross country, no issues. Olaf has done amazing on this trip. As far as the truck, right now we're still waiting on Bruno to figure out whether or not we want to, we're going to probably keep him later on, due to the fact that we had to tow the race cars somehow, some way. But later on, we're actually going to start another YouTube channel, Retirement Life. So stay tuned and watch for that, because that's going to be coming out. As you can hear my son in the back, he's having a good old time. The 65 Mustang, we're going to start actually tearing into her. Daddy's Girl, which is my wife's 65 Mustang. We're going to try and tear into it and actually get some of the kinks knocked out of her, so that we can actually get her just up and running on the road. And this way my wife has some fun old school car to actually drive around. And I think, and my dad's truck, which we really haven't really named yet. We're gonna try and get it dedicated and up and running and good to go. It may not happen in 2023, but it's gonna be coming soon. It might possibly happen in 2024, but we're gonna try and get all these cars good to go for 2023. You should see us around more at the drag strip, more at car shows, car events, stuff like that. So if you see me out there and you see us doing anything, come by, say hi. I'd like to meet some of y'all, some of the subscribers that I have, and some of the new subscribers that we're possibly going to be having on the channel. This year, we have met our goal. We met our goal of 100 subscribers added to the channel for the year. The reason why I set my goal at 100 is because I wanted to make sure that whatever videos I put out, I was able to actually continue to keep doing. Even though there wasn't a lot of videos, it was more towards the end of the year, and that's what got most of the subscribers that are on the channel now. For 2023, I'm going to set my goal for 1,000. We're going to try and go for 1,000 subscribers, which means I'm going to have to put in twice the effort, twice the work. But I would much rather do that and actually put out the content for you, the subscriber, to enjoy. So we're going to go in here and get our coffee, and we're going to make a road trip back later on the 2nd, back to Alabama and Georgia. So, as always, like and subscribe to the channel for future updates. And if I see you out here in SoCal, say hi.